What if tomorrow morning you woke up and gravity had doubled? Not slowly, not gradually over centuries. Instantly. The same invisible force that keeps your feet on the ground suddenly pulls twice as hard on everything. Your body, buildings, oceans, even the planet itself. At first, nothing looks different, but within seconds, the world begins to break. Let's explore what would really happen if gravity suddenly became twice as strong. The very first thing you'd notice is your own body. Standing up would feel like lifting someone else's weight on your shoulders. Your bones would creak under pressure they were never designed to handle. Your heart would struggle to pump blood upward to your brain, fighting against a much stronger pull. Many people would collapse immediately, not from lack of air, but from pure physical overload. Walking would feel like wading through deep mud. Running would be nearly impossible. Even lifting your arms would require real effort. Muscles would fatigue rapidly, and anyone with heart, lung, or joint conditions would be in serious danger within minutes. Animals wouldn't fare much better. Birds would be grounded instantly. Their wings simply couldn't generate enough lift to overcome doubled gravity. Insects, which rely on low mass and weak gravity, would largely disappear. The sky would fall silent. Now look at the buildings around you. Every structure on Earth was engineered for the gravity we know, not double. Bridges would sag under their own weight. Older buildings would crack as the stress on concrete and steel suddenly doubled. Skyscrapers would sway, then fail from the inside as their foundations compressed. Mountains would begin to collapse. Gravity doesn't just pull downward, it reshapes the planet over time. With twice the force, erosion would accelerate dramatically. Cliffs would crumble. Landslides would become constant. The landscape itself would begin flattening under its own weight. Then come the oceans. With stronger gravity, water would be pulled closer to Earth's center. The oceans would spread outward, becoming shallower but far more aggressive. Waves would hit coastlines with extreme force. Tides would intensify, flooding coastal cities repeatedly. Entire shorelines would redraw themselves in days. But the most dangerous changes wouldn't be visible. Inside Earth, pressure would skyrocket. The planet's core would compress further, increasing geothermal activity. Earthquakes would shake the surface nonstop as tectonic plates struggled under added weight. Volcanoes would erupt more frequently, releasing ash and gas into an already stressed atmosphere. Speaking of the atmosphere, gravity holds it in place. With double gravity, the atmosphere would compress closer to the surface. Air pressure at sea level would dramatically increase. Breathing would feel heavier, denser. Over time, oxygen toxicity could become a real issue, while weather systems would become violent and unpredictable. Storms would intensify, rain would fall harder, winds would behave differently under the increased force pulling air downward. Weather as we know it would no longer exist. Now let's talk about space. Satellites orbit Earth because there's a balance between forward motion and gravity. Double gravity breaks that balance. Thousands of satellites would begin losing altitude immediately, burning up in the atmosphere. GPS systems, communication networks, weather monitoring, gone within hours. The moon would also be affected. Earth's stronger gravitational pull would begin dragging the moon closer. This would increase tidal forces to catastrophic levels. Megatides would flood continents regularly. Over time, the moon could spiral inward, potentially leading to a collision or tearing itself apart into a ring around Earth. Life wouldn't go extinct instantly, but it wouldn't thrive either. Plants would struggle to grow upright. Trees would collapse under their own weight. Circulatory systems in animals would fail to adapt quickly enough. Reproduction rates would plummet. Ecosystems would unravel. Humans might survive for a short time indoors, lying down, conserving energy. But civilization, it would collapse. Transportation would fail. Power grids would be destroyed. Food production would halt as farming equipment became unusable and crops failed. Supply chains would break within days. Even time would feel different. Your movements would slow. Every action would require effort. Life would become exhausting, and not emotionally, but physically. The planet would feel hostile, crushing, relentless. And here's the most terrifying part. Gravity never gets tired. If gravity doubled permanently, Earth wouldn't explode. It wouldn't shatter. It would slowly crush everything into a denser, harsher version of itself. A planet where complex life struggles to exist. So next time you stand up effortlessly, jump, or simply breathe without effort, remember this. We live in a universe balanced on a knife's edge. Change one invisible force just a little, and the world we know collapses.